How do you hire a marketing person for your e-commerce business? In this video, I'm going to give you the insights that's going to help you do that much, much better. I truly believe that marketing is a skill in and of itself. And whilst as entrepreneurs, it pays us initially to be generalists, ultimately, you have to move towards specialization if you really want to grow a business. One of the things that I personally have had to go through, because I think of myself as being a very good marketer. However, the complexity of keeping up with all of the different marketing platforms that one must understand, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Google Shopping, Google Search, Bing, Reddit, blah, 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 blah. The complexity of keeping up with all of that, if I tried to, would mean that I wouldn't have time for anything else. And so as an entrepreneur, one of the big things that we have to do is let go of autonomy of specific aspects of our business. So should you outsource elements of your business that you are less competent and not inclined to want to learn? Yes, you absolutely should. Should you outsource that to Wishpond? I don't know. I don't know enough about them to be able to give you any kind of sensible insights into that. I will say this. In my experience, there's two kinds of marketers that you really, really need for most things. Could be Google Ads, could be Facebook, could be most things. And the first one is the creative person. That's to come up with the hooks and come up with the imagery and to come up with the ideas that we are going to use. And the second person is the person what puts them all up and then monitors the results. So one is a creative and one is an analytical person. You need both of those two things, okay? It is extremely rare that that person is the same person. If they are, oftentimes they're running their own marketing for their own business and making squillions of dollars, okay? So regardless of what you ultimately decide to go with, just know that really what you probably need is somebody to write the adverts for you, do all the creative stuff, the copywriting, target the market, and that person should be very well paid. Think somewhere in the realms of $50 to $100 an hour min for that person, okay? And then there's another person that is following the check boxes, putting the things up, and then analyzing the results. And that's a much cheaper person. What you really need kind of is a bookkeeper. That's the same basic talents required for one or the other, okay? So that can be outsourced for $10 an hour, for instance. Okay, that's how I always approach it. That was a video from my regular Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are a community of 2,500 professional e-commerce entrepreneurs from right around the world with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about us and, of course, come and join us, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au and I will see you on the next video. Till then, bye.